You need to hear this if you're a space enthusiast. Imagine a darkness so profound that it defies comprehension, a region of space-time where gravity reigns supreme, a cosmic trap with an insatiable appetite. Picture this, a black hole, a silent invader, hurtling towards our solar system. Unseen it approaches, its presence only betrayed by the whispers of distorted starlight. This isn't science fiction. This is a cosmic horror story that could become reality. The vastness of space, often perceived as emptiness, is teeming with unseen dangers. Among them, black holes are the most enigmatic and terrifying. They are remnants of collapsed stars, their cores crushed under their own immense gravity. These gravitational behemoths lurk in the depths of galaxies, their existence both mesmerizing and unsettling. What if one such entity were on a collision course with our corner of the universe? What if our solar system, our cosmic haven, were to encounter the abyss of a black hole? To understand the threat we face, we must first comprehend the nature of the beast. Black holes are born from the death throes of massive stars, stars far larger than our own sun. As these stellar giants exhaust their nuclear fuel, they can no longer withstand the relentless inward pull of their own gravity. The core collapses in on itself, a catastrophic implosion that sends shockwaves through space-time, birthing a black hole. Not all black holes are created equal. Stellar black holes, formed from the collapse of individual stars, are the most common. But there are also supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. These gravitational behemoths reside at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Each type of black hole, regardless of its size, possesses an event horizon, a point of no return beyond which gravity's grip is inescapable. Even light, the fastest entity in the universe, cannot escape its clutches. The universe often provides warnings of impending danger, subtle signs that speak volumes to those who listen. The approach of a black hole, while invisible to the naked eye, would not go unnoticed. Astronomers, armed with powerful telescopes and sophisticated instruments, would detect the whispers of its gravitational pull. One telltale sign would be gravitational lensing. As a black hole passes in front of distant stars, its immense gravity would bend and distort the path of their light. This would create an apparent shift in the star's positions, a cosmic mirage that reveals the presence of the invisible intruder. Another clue would be the distortion of space-time itself. The fabric of the cosmos, warped by the black hole's gravity, would stretch and compress, causing subtle but measurable changes in the orbits of planets and other celestial objects. These anomalies would be the first indication that something is amiss, a cosmic tremor heralding the arrival of a celestial predator. As the black hole draws nearer, its gravitational influence would begin to wreak havoc on the outskirts of our solar system. The outer planets, those gas giants that patrol the solar system's fringes, would be the first to feel its effects. Their orbits, once stable and predictable, would become increasingly erratic. Imagine Neptune, the icy giant, its serene blue atmosphere churned into a tempest by the unseen intruder's gravitational tides. Uranus tilted on its side, its rings set askew as the black hole's gravity tugs at its icy moons. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, its magnificent rings warped and twisted, its shepherd moon sent scattering like cosmic dust. And Jupiter, the king of planets, its great red spot, a swirling maelstrom as the black hole's pull disrupts its atmosphere. The outer solar system, once a realm of icy giants and distant wonders, would become a chaotic battleground. Next in line for the cosmic dance of destruction is Earth, our home, our pale blue dot. As the black hole approaches, its gravitational grip would begin to distort our planet's very essence. Tides would surge, not just in our oceans, but in the very land itself. Earthquakes would rip across continents, volcanoes would erupt with unprecedented fury, and tsunamis would surge inland, reshaping coastlines in their wake. But the true horror would lie in the black hole's gravitational gradient. The side of Earth facing the black hole would experience a far stronger pull than the side facing away. This difference in gravitational force, known as tidal force, would stretch our planet, distorting it into an elongated shape. Imagine buildings crumbling, mountains collapsing, and the very ground beneath our feet groaning in protest. If the black hole were close enough, the tidal forces would become so extreme that they would overcome Earth's own gravity. Our planet would be ripped apart in a process known as spaghettification. Even our sun, the anchor of our solar system, the source of our light and life, would not be spared the black hole's wrath. As the black hole approached, its immense gravity would begin to distort the sun's shape, drawing its stellar material into a swirling accretion disk. This disk, a superheated maelstrom of gas and plasma, would emit intense radiation, bathing our solar system in a deadly glow. The sun's fate would be sealed. It would either be gradually consumed by the black hole, its materials spiraling inward like water down a drain, or it would be ripped apart in a cataclysmic event that would send shockwaves throughout the galaxy. The exact scenario that unfolds depends on a cosmic game of chance, a roll of the celestial dice. The size of the black hole, its trajectory, and its proximity to our solar system would all play a role in determining our fate. A small black hole, perhaps a few times the mass of our Sun, might pass through our solar system, disrupting orbits and causing widespread chaos, but leaving our planet relatively intact. A larger black hole, however, could spell our doom. It could swallow our Sun whole, leaving our solar system in perpetual darkness. Or it could rip our planet apart, scattering our remains across the cosmos. The possibilities are as varied as they are terrifying. The likelihood of a black hole colliding with our solar system is, thankfully, incredibly small. The vastness of space, while teeming with stars and galaxies, is mostly empty. But the possibility, however remote, serves as a stark reminder of our place in the universe. We are but a small planet, orbiting an average star in a vast and indifferent cosmos. The thought of a black hole, a cosmic entity capable of devouring stars and planets, approaching our solar system, is a sobering one. It forces us to confront the fragility of our existence and the awesome power of the universe we inhabit. It is a reminder that while we may strive to understand the cosmos, there are forces at play that dwarf our comprehension, forces that could obliterate us in an instant. The hypothetical scenario of a black hole entering our solar system is a chilling thought experiment, but it also prompts a profound question. Are we alone in facing such cosmic threats? In the vastness of the universe, countless other civilizations may have already encountered their own cosmic horrors. Perhaps they were consumed by black holes, their stories lost to the void. Or perhaps they found a way to survive, to navigate the perilous cosmic sea and emerge stronger on the other side. The universe is a place of both breathtaking beauty and terrifying power. It is a place where life as we know it is both precious and precarious. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must do so with both wonder and caution, for the universe holds many secrets, some of which are best left undisturbed.